Good morning. Happy new vlog. We're back. It's December 1st and I'm particularly excited for this month because one, it's our anniversary month. December 2nd is my wedding anniversary, so whenever December rolls around, I'm just so excited. I've been excited for December for 3 Decembers now. The December I got married last year for my first year married. And then this year, my second year wedding anniversary, which means I've been married for 2 years. That's crazy. Another reason I'm excited for this December in particular, I always end up burning myself. I am tackling the ever great, oh so beloved VLOGMAS. I've never done VLOGMAS. This December though, I thought I need to do VLOGMAS because I've never done VLOGMAS, and if not now, then when? I think we should do VLOGMAS for the one time. So we're doing VLOGMAS this year. Are you guys excited? I'm excited. I'm very, very excited. So I'm getting ready to film my very first VLOGMAS video, which you'll see before this one. It'll be the Q&A that I asked you guys to send in questions for. My hair is starting to smell burnt. I need to get this out of my head, honestly. It's a surprise that this style has lasted this long because it's cornrows. Everyone knows cornrows don't last long, but I wanted it to last a month, and I think it's actually officially lasted a month. By the way, I'm sick, so not exactly the best start to the Vlogmas. I woke up, well, first of all, I didn't sleep last night because I was coughing every minute. Whenever I get sick, get these coughing attacks, I've had to get an inhaler for it when I was like around 17, 18. It was so bad. I couldn't even go to class. I was coughing non-stop. I got an inhaler for it because they were like, it might be asthma. But the inhaler didn't really help, so Lucas had to sleep on the couch. Well, he didn't have, I was gonna say he didn't have to, but I realized he kind of had to because I was coughing the entire night. I didn't sleep till 5 a.m. And I think at 5, my body just kind of gave up and I slept for like maybe 3 hours. And it's December 1st. I'm like, this is not the greatest start to my Vlogmas season. If I want to be vlogging and posting every single day, I have to be in good health. We're praying that it goes away. I ordered some groceries. I think it actually is gonna get delivered anytime now. I should have got delivered. In that, my grandma, who I used to live with in Ghana, whenever I would have these coughing attacks, she would blend honey and ginger, like mash up a bunch of ginger, like a bottle of honey, put a bunch of ginger in it, like this much, shake it all up, and then give it to us in teaspoons. So I got honey, I got ginger. I'm gonna make the little concoction, nip this cough in the butt, nip it in the bud. In the butt? In the bud. Nip it in the butt. I think it's in the butt. I can't have Lucas sleep on the couch. I can't. It's awful. Tomorrow is our anniversary and we're going to see Dijon. We also have plans to get some omakase. I have plans to go upstate to celebrate a friend's birthday and then upstate again to celebrate our anniversary, hopefully. A bunch of stuff, a bunch of fun stuff happening this December, and I thought, yeah, let's get these daily vlogs up and running. This is gonna be fun. I've never done Vlogmas. I've always wanted to do Vlogmas. I think this is gonna be fun. I'm gonna film this Q&A and then we're gonna get on with the rest of the vlog. I'll see you later. Our groceries got delivered. Okay, so we have apples, eggs, broccoli, Atlantic salmon lemonade, salted butter, black beans, tomato paste, chocolate chips, pancake flour, tomatoes, imitation vanilla flavor, baby potatoes, ground beef, jasmine rice, garlic, onions, flour, brown sugar. Some of these ingredients you will notice are to make chocolate chip cookies. I haven't made chocolate chip cookies while we've been here, and I think that's a very Christmassy thing to do. So I definitely am on the chocolate chip cookie wave. I want to be baking a lot. Lucas got me a Sour Patch Kids. So this is the concoction I was talking about. Honey and ginger. I got minced ginger because I didn't want to do the work of having to like crush up the ginger. Oh babe, can you open this for me? I don't spend more than 2 seconds trying to open something if Lucas is around. Thank you.
You're welcome, David.
Oof. Okay, it's very gingery. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in one of these cutie little green espresso cups. See if I can make like a potion that I just sip throughout the day, you know? Guys, do this if you have a cough, I promise. Now we're gonna scoop ginger, lots of it. And mix it around, mix it around, mix it around.
Couple text messages from you.
I'm gonna do 2 spoonfuls of this. I hated every minute of that. When I'm coughing as well, it's also so hard for me to not drink iced water because I can only drink water if it's iced. Like I need my water packed with ice, but when I'm coughing, it's the worst thing for you. I'm trying to drink water. I'll see you when I'm doing something else. Okay, it's been a while. Vlogmas is a little bit off to a rough start. Filmed this whole 1-hour video. I don't know why I do this to myself. I talk so much, and then when it's time to edit, I'm like, why am I talking so much? There's so much for it to edit. Anyway, this Q&A is like 37 minutes. It's because I like to bear my heart out. I had therapy at 5. It's currently 8:47, and my video, I was done with my video at like 7 p.m. It just would not upload. So I am choosing to upload. I'm like troubleshooting it. I'm Googling all the things. It wasn't working. Shout out, first of all, to the people who put like solutions on YouTube. Every time I have like a Final Cut Pro problem, there's somebody that made an answer to my problem 8 years ago. But then sometimes, and this is what happened today, all the tutorials, all the answers to my problems were not working because I had a very distinct problem. And I looked through the comment section and one kind lady had the exact same problem I was having, and she said what she did, and I did the exact same thing and it worked. And so when in doubt, YouTube it. If the YouTube tutorial isn't working, read the comments and hope that somebody has commented a solution, and that worked for me. So thank you, Sandra. Just kidding, I don't know her name. Her name wasn't Sandra, but it was something. Let's see, what was her name? I could probably find it. Oh, Joni Vargas. Thank you, Joni. Thank you. I'm gonna respond to this comment from 9 years ago. I'm gonna say, thank you, Joni. Okay, while we wait for my YouTube video to do what it needs to do, we're gonna bring the OG spirit of Vlogmas back, and we're gonna make a Vlogmas intro. I just got this idea right now, you know, because the YouTubers would have one Vlogmas intro in the beginning of other Vlogmases. So what I think we should do is have this thing, the camera films me going up to, like, first you just see this thing right here, right, on the dining table, let's say. Then I go up to it, I grab a candle, I grab a matchbox that says the Lovejoys on it, grab it, I do this, very cinematic, you're filming this up close, I light a flame, and then I light, oh, my flame burnt out.
Don't worry, ours never will.
Period poo. Turn it on. I light my candle. And then the candle is lit. Okay. And then boom, Vlogmas 2025.
Man, I like that.
Okay, now my video is like totally loading. It just has the loading sign. So let's force quit it. God, please. Oh my goodness, it's not working. Oh gosh. I thought I fixed it. It's not working. Damn. I can't upload a video.
This will be done, and she will be able to call it a night, and we will be so thankful for the beautiful video that she put out, Lord Jesus. We know that there is nothing that can stop your name. We know that any demon, any evil spirit is afraid of you, and they shake at you and at your name. So we call the name of the Lord Jesus over this video. Oh my God.
I'm not gonna put the whole prayer. Just a clip of it, and then when it works, they have proof of miracles working.